Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Kanutalo IP. Today we are going to look at a problem concerning why a phone does not receive calls. Has it ever happened to you that you dial an extension and get the following message?
The person at extension 1001 is on the phone. Please leave your message after the tone. When done, hang up or press the pound key.
This may be because the phone has DND enabled. You will see a red symbol with a dash in the middle, or if your screen is monochrome, you will see a circle with a dash in the middle, which means it is enabled. On the side of the phone, you should locate the mute key. Simply press and hold this mute key for a few seconds to enable or disable it. If you disable it, you can dial again and there should be a two-way call. Dial the extension again and you should receive the call without any problems. Let's see how to disable this feature on the phone side. If you don't want the end user to be able to re-enable it in any way, keep in mind that to disable it permanently, you must first have disabled DND on the phone side. On the phone, go to Settings, Call Features, and locate the key with a microphone and a diagonal line through it. Here we will search for the word DND. We can press Ctrl+F, type DND, and we will find it here so that the mute key is no longer used. We just set it to disabled, save and apply, and on the phone side, if we try to enable it, we will no longer be able to. If we have another phone, for example, this one, which is a newer series than the GXP, we will go to the Call Settings tab, General Settings, and here we will find the microphone screen with the diagonal corner. Here, we would just select Disable, Save, and Apply. If we press the microphone key on the GRP, the diagonal corner will no longer be enabled. And if we press the DND key on the screen, we would also see it as active. We must also disable it in this tab, Phone Settings, Call Settings, Others. Here, we will find the DND key. Here, we simply remove it, click Save and Apply, and with that, we would have the setting disabled so that it cannot be re-enabled on the phone. With this setting, you can now receive calls on that phone. Without further ado, I bid you farewell. That's all for today. If you liked the video, you know what to do. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. See you next time.